So one of the three out-of-the-box contracts, standard contracts that Vi supports for users are prediction market contracts. So we can really easily make a prediction market and a really nice interface for the market. So let's say I want to make a market, make a prediction market for um, will ETH reach um, 5K USD in price by November 2025 end. So we can give this to Vi, and Vi will say that it's going to help me create this prediction market, and it'll dispatch the contract agent, and it'll look at what contracts we have, and then it will trigger a deploy of the prediction market. So it'll sort of just immediately set it up for me. So it'll pop up this modal, and from here, we populated the market question. We can deploy it on base. That's all good. Actually, let's do it on base Sepolia since I have more USDC there. And we just have to set a market close time. So this is pretty important. So since it's by November 2025 end, let me set it for November. Well, let me set it for maybe 1 week before. So November 23rd at 12 a.m. That's fine. I mean, with a market like this, we probably have a bit more complex rules, but we can stick this here, and we will be like, if ETH reaches 5K USD in price on CoinGecko is the source on sort of by November 30th, this will resolve to yes. And we can have it be a binary outcome market, but of course you can, if you have another type of market, you can add as many outcomes as you want, and you can have sort of markets with many outcomes. And finally, importantly, as the creator, I'm also expected to resolve the market. So you can actually also delegate the resolver to be somebody else, like another address, an oracle, another contract, whatever it may be. But for this, we can just make myself the resolver. And yeah, there's a couple details here with sort of failing to resolve and people being able to withdraw what they've staked as collateral. But we can go ahead and deploy this market, and it switched the network to base Sepolia for me, and I can hit confirm here, and this will tell Vi, hey, I just deployed a prediction market, and we can come back 3 to 4 to 5 minutes later and see a incredible prediction market interface for this question. All right, so Vi's created this prediction market interface for me, and in one shot, it got 95% of the way there. And with some prodding to fix a small display issue for share prices, we have a great sort of interface for this market. So the first thing here is we see these resolver controls, and these are only showing up because I've connected the wallet which created the market, so the actual resolver. So other addresses wouldn't see this interface, but as the resolver, I have the ability to resolve the market. Other than that, we can see the market odds. So, it's dead even right now. Obviously, no recent trades. These are the rules that I set up, and, a couple more details. So let's go ahead and buy one share of the yes token, and we get an expected cost. So we've quoted sort of how much USDC this should cost. And when I hit buy shares, it prompts me to sign a signature. and not a transaction. And so with one signature and one transaction, I'm able to buy Yes token shares, which is really nice because I don't have to sign an approval transaction and then sign the actual buy transaction. I can just use the signature and then pass that signature into the transaction. So we set it up that way with the prediction market contract. And after doing that, you can see that the odds have slightly updated. So because I bought, one share of Yes, the market reflects that now. And then I can also come here and sell. And, as you can see, we have the one share available to sell. If I say sell, 0.5 of this, I'm expected to get 25 cents, which is about right. Notwithstanding the slippage, if other people are actively trading on the market. And in this case, I can approve, the contract to withdraw my share NFTs, and then I should be able to sign this sell transaction and then receive 25 cents worth of USDC. And then the price of each share should reflect accordingly once the app makes the next pull to the blockchain. So yeah, you have a working prediction market interface, resolver controls, and yeah, it's looking great.